Welcome back, party people, in the place to be. We got our first flight with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. And bam, there you go. So without further ado, let's get this thing popped. All right. And the drone is up.
Home point updated.
Let's get this thing popping. All right, party people, in the place to be. You know what we're gonna do. We're gonna fly over the bridge. All right, we're gonna drop it a little bit. Move forward. Get that cruise control. And now we're gonna do us a little 360 on the bridge. And bam! It don't stop on its own, people, so you gotta bring it on back. You gotta bring it on back. And bam! Yeah, it don't stop on zero on its own. You gotta shoot, you gotta time it. But that's enough of that there. Let's get on up out of that. Cruise control. Let's go on fly out here and test out these cameras. These nice high quality cameras that they done sold us on. Bam, look at that though. That gives it a whole different vibe. Matter of fact, let me go on and I can go on up. Look at that, people. Look at that. That's what I'm trying to get. That's what I'm saying. Look at that. And then let's go and turn it. Let's go and turn it. Up. That give you a whole different vibe, people. A whole different vibe. And fly up under here, and let's check out what's up under this bridge. Check out what's up under this bridge like. Now on this RC2, I can barely see what's up under here, y'all, but I'm sure that's another thing we couldn't do. That's gonna make for some interesting shots right there, people. Look at this. Look at this water. Look at this agua, man. And I'm shooting in 6K 60, people. Don't know if the YouTubing, this is on that main camera. That Hustleback, yeah, I know what it's called, but I'm gonna call it the Hustleback. That's the Hustleback camera. Get your boy. Look at your boy. So we're gonna go back. Hit that cruise control. And bam. We ain't gonna do no 360, man. That ain't necessary, people. We're just gonna do us a 9 and come on back home. We're gonna do us a 9 and come back home. Bam. But while I got it in cruise control, let's see. That's at 5x. Still got that boy in cruise control. Let's go 6. That's all right. It tries to focus. Look at that. It got that focus. That's what I'm talking about. So we're going to put it out of cruise control. We're just going to go backwards. I can see the drone. Let's see how long it's going to focus on it. Let's see how long it's going to focus on your boy. Man, 500 feet away and it's still focusing on me. Raise it on up so it won't, just in case a train comes, it don't hit that boy. But look at that. 600 feet away. And it lost focus. Can it get it back? Can it get it back? Bam. It's back on you, boy. Still on you, boy. That's what I'm talking about. 700 feet away, people. $700 feet away, still focused on your boy. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. That's all right. Still focused on your boy. 1,000 feet away, people. Come on. We got that train track in the background, baby. We got that train track in the background. And how about we go vertical with it, people? We go vertical with it. Now on the internet they said the tilt, yep, we only have, it's a pretty, I mean, it's all right if you're far away. It's all right if you're far away. Vertical 6x, vertical 12, vertical 18, 24. I'm 1,500 feet away. That's what it looked like. That's gonna pop it back out. Get out of that. Yeah, that's that 2x. Vertical cam. It ain't that bad. That's 5x. It's not that bad, people. Not that bad. I'm too far away to be. Yeah, so that's just fine. Trying to go up and down in that vertical mode, tilted up and down. You won't have that much play, but if you let that stick go, it'll give you a little bit more play room. So that's how you're gonna have to handle that. Bam, let's get back out of that. Let's go back to the main camera. Yeah, you're gonna be kind of limited on that, but guess what, people? Majority of the people, oh, we got us a train. We got us a train, people. We got us a train. 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 We got us a train Got us a train, people. I told you, the majority of the time when I come here, majority of the times when I come here, it's always a train. Majority of the times when I come here, people, it's always a train. Ooh, look at that, people. Look at that. See if we can't get us some good. That is the Explorer. Explorer automatically puts you in auto, but auto ain't bad though. Look at that. Look at that. So now I can get on over here. So now, people, you see me right there. I can line that drone up right behind me. That's what happens when you watch a whole bunch of YouTube. You already kind of got an idea. And bam. Bam, there goes 6X. Look at that water. Bam, there goes 12X. I damn near gotta. Look at that. If I knew how to goddamn keep this thing steady, this would be a nice little old shot. Nice little shot. Bam, 18. Look at that. That's all right there, y'all. And bam, 24. I literally have to back up now. Wow, look at that. So I'm not gonna dabble into the taking any pictures this time around. We'll do that next episode. But yeah, first flight with the Mavic 4 Pro. Look at that beautiful sight, man. That is beautiful. Bam. 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 12x. Bam. 18. Bam. 24. It's a beautiful thing, people. It's beautiful. Now, let's go and return to home.
Return to home.
And there you go, people. Our first flight with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Hope you enjoyed yourself. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Till the next episode, people. Peace.